Isak. Tässä oli meidän
Yeah, I think
joululahja.
take the present now.
That was a nice Christmas present. There was inside of the present. It was a car. It was a nice green car, a Lamborghini.
Ostatko sä karamellia mammina?
Then we got you a little robot car. Yes. And
Star Wars.
Yes, Star Wars car.
Annatko sä sit karamellia?
Joo. Ja sitten Pukki oli tuonut äitille jotakin lahjaa. Eikö se ollutkin tämmöisen hienon? Jotakin siellä oli. Mitäköhän siellä olisi sitten ollut?
I think show mommy your
thank
present
you.
now.
Thank you very much for this one. It looks
See
very
mommy
nice.
under the Christmas tree.
Thank you.
And then you
Thank
can
you.
show him the little.
And then we got you a little cars here, you know.
Pick it up and hold it in your hand.
Yeah, there's a nice.
You can hold both of them.
There's nice little cars here,
Hold the other one as well.
and it's cute.
And then you can turn it on.
Oh.
We'll see if you can get the light to
Yeah,
come on.
we can try them later. You know.
Now turn the light on. Press the button.
Press. Oh, it might start moving.
No.
You know.
Or
Which
push it
one-
up.
Which is left?
That's it. Wrong one. That one.
That one.
I have to start over again.
Lights here.
Yeah, that's one,
Yeah.
but the other one. There you
Oh,
go.
that's cute.
Now we can see how the cars light up. See, look.
They move and they
Right,
run away.
right. You can put them on the floor just 1 second
Yes.
and show it how it works.
Cute.
Now you can turn
Put
it
them
on
on the floor.
and show them how it works. There they go.
Jos ei veitä niin...
And these you can race around with your friends.
That's enough now. Mommy been racing with those cars now. Enough.
So Isaac,
Yeah, that was cute. And then we found little something too. A little green car for you. Thank you.
right, you
Thank
showed
you.
him that
Isn't
one in the
that
Star
nice?
Wars.
Then we're gonna have little Bormelio, Caramelio.
And the Lamborghini.
Saaks karamellia?
Joo, heti saa kulta. Tämä Lamborghini on tiellä, kiitos. Noniin. Katsotaanpas mitä sitten otetaan karamellia.